Hello everyone. So I just came back from office and when I opened my social media, around 10 to 12 messages I have got. Those who have selected for RRB clerk, they have made it into the final list. So it is a great feeling and I am glad to receive those kind of messages. I feel blessed that you have showed faith in you and faith in me as well. You believed in me, you believed in yourself, and finally you have got a secured job now. So आपका फाइनल सिलेक्शन हो गया है. So बहुत मुझे भी खुशी है. और अब पहले तो आपको बहुत 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 congratulations to all of you, those who have selected, those who have texted me, or those who have not texted me. See, I do not want to take any credit, but it really feels great to contribute in your success, right? And now, after congratulating these guys, मैं बात करना चाहूँगा जिनका नहीं हुआ. देखो, बहुत सारे बच्चे जिनका आज सिलेक्शन हुआ है वो पिछले साल तक स्ट्रगल कर रहे थे. उन्होंने, लेकिन एक ही बात है कि उन्होंने कभी हार नहीं मानी. दे हैव दैट फेथ इन देमसेल्व्स, दे हैव दैट बिलीव इन देमसेल्व्स कि वो कर लेंगे. एंड दे हैव मेड इट टू द फाइनल लिस्ट, राइट? They have made it to the final list and I want to congratulate them, and you should also be happy for their success and you should strive for your success. Do not stop. Initial failures are just stepping stones. Now you have discovered a few things that आपने वो चीजें डिस्कवर कर ली है जिनसे आपको सक्सेस नहीं मिल सकती. मतलब यू हैव सीन द फेलियर्स, यू विल एंजॉय द सक्सेस मोर नाउ. सो डरना बिल्कुल नहीं है. कंसिस्टेंसी की उंगली पकड़ के चलो, जरूर जीतोगे, राइट? सो बी कंसिस्टेंट. have an action plan with yourself and make sure that you follow that action plan. You track your performance and without loss of enthusiasm, right? Take one day at a time and give your best shot, right? Even I have not selected in the initial 6-7 exams. They were back-to-back exams, and then suddenly I have cleared 4 different exams. There is a guy, I do not want to name him, but uska kya tha ki he failed in a lot of exams from last 2 years, for the last 2 years. But then he is now selected in RRB clerk, and now he is having SBI PO interview tomorrow. He is having IBPS PO interview a few days later, a week or so. So it is these kind of students who hold their nerves and who stick there, right? So stick there. Even if you have not selected, you will encounter a lot of opportunities, but success will only meet you if your right preparation meets the right opportunity, right? Opportunities are immense. Make sure that you are preparing for those opportunities without losing any confidence, right? देखो, पत्थर पे चाहे 100 बार आप मार रहे हो ना, किसी पत्थर को तोड़ना 100 बार हथौड़ा मार रहे हो, नहीं टूटा, 101वीं बार में टूटेगा. इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी है कि वो जो 100 बार हथौड़ा मारा वो वर्थ इट नहीं है. वो भी वर्थ इट है, राइट? सो लगे रहो और स्माइल करते रहो. आपका सिलेक्शन भी जरूर होगा, ये मैं कह रहा हूँ, राइट? गारंटी नहीं, वारंटी जरूर दूंगा, ठीक है? तो आपने बस कंसिस्टेंट रहना है, ठीक है? एंड दोज हु हैव सेलेक्टेड, आई वुड लाइक यू टू गो फॉर बिगर थिंग्स इन योर लाइफ, एंड whenever or wherever you need me, I will try to keep myself available and want to contribute, want to do my bit for you all. That is all. That is the only motivation I have, right? So all the very best, and do let me know your comment and know your result in the comment section, and all the best, and subscribe the channel if you want. That's it.